Reserve Bank Governor Jill Marcus says the inflation outlook has deteriorated further. Inflation is expected to remain close to the upper end of the bank's target for much longer. It's currently breached the upper target, but is expected to dip below the 6% level by year end. Marcus says high wage settlements threaten the inflation outlook and job creation.
The ultimate impact on inflation will depend in part on the increase in the total wage bill, as the impact of higher wages may be offset by job losses or slower employment creation. We are concerned that the increase in productivity, although relatively low, reflects job losses and a switch to more capital-intensive production.
The bank also cautioned about the impact of a weaker rand on inflation. That's despite the local currency strengthening following last night's decision by the US Federal Reserve not to reduce its economic stimulus.
The continued uncertainty relating to the timing of the inevitable slowdown in bond purchases and its data-dependent nature imply that emerging market currencies, including the rand, are likely to experience a protracted period of volatility.
Good news for consumers is that the stronger rand points to a drop in the petrol price for October. But high debt levels and rising electricity prices suggest tough times ahead.
We're still going to see a lot of pressure on spending, and should the current labor unrest go on and wages are settled at unaffordable levels for companies, we're going to see layoffs. That's not good news for consumers going forward.
Despite all the risks, the bank has kept its economic growth forecast unchanged at 2% this year. Luta Motlogelwa, SABC News, Johannesburg.